Hi little kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful pop-it burger. Here I am drawing the burger and let's see how to make it pop-it burger. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I draw the burger. Let's make it pop-it burger. Here I am drawing some balls in this burger and that will be the pop-it burger. I complete to draw the pop-it burger. Now it's time to color it. I am using brush pen color to color this burger. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Wow, the pop-it burger is looking so beautiful. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.